Hey besties, we did it. We made it through 30 days of the Skate a Day challenge, which means you made it through 30 days straight of roller skating tutorials, skills, and drills. And it also means my legs are officially sponsored by Salonpas, Biofreeze, and Bengay. If any of you guys are watching, please hit me up. I would love to do a collab. No, for real. So when I started this challenge, I was thinking that it was just gonna be about teaching you basic skills and drills just so that you can get rolling on your roller skates. But here's what actually happened. I learned some things that are really important and also inevitable, like the fact that gravity has a personal vendetta against me. But it's a part of skate life because we all fall. I pushed through a lot of days where I didn't even feel like skating, and let me tell you, as a mom, as a wife of a very busy family, it was rough trying to cater to everybody's needs, including my own, but also making sure that I save some space and time for you, because I think that these skills are very important for all roller skaters to have, especially as a beginner. If I had something like this when I first started, I think that I would be way further along than I am now. And it's true, confidence is really important when it comes to roller skating. Speaking of that, I saw how much confidence you can build in just 30 days. And I hope that you guys feel better about me falling and being silly and making a fool of myself on my skates so that you can get out there and feel confident on yours. So what did I actually learn doing this challenge? Believe it or not, skating isn't just about tricks and looking smooth. It's about showing up, wobbling through all the awkward moments, and letting yourself improve one day at a time. If you missed any of the days, the full Skate a Day challenge playlist is waiting for you. So binge it, practice along, and then come back and tell me which day was your favorite. Even though it's the end of the challenge, it's actually just the beginning of your skate journey. Yes, my skates are tired, my body's tired, but my heart is excited and ready for the next adventure. So what's next now that Skate a Day is all wrapped up? Don't worry, we're not hanging our skates up just yet. Here's what you can look forward to on my channel. We've got Bloom's Room, which is my little cozy corner where I'm gonna dive more into some beginner tips, a few confidence boosters of course, and even some crafty fun. We've also got some comp footage. So yep, I'll be sharing my journey as I train, practice, and hopefully place at upcoming events. You may even see a little bit of travel vlogs here and there. And last but not least, I'll be sharing behind the scenes with you of all the stuff that I don't show on TikTok and Instagram. You know, the warm-ups, the mess-ups, and all the little victories in between. I'll also be sharing with you some practice sessions. Y'all know I say it all the time, practice makes improvement. And improvement doesn't stop just because the challenge is over. So basically, you can look forward to more skating, more Bloom energy, and more reasons to lace up and roll with me. So if you've been here since day one or you're just finding me now, hit subscribe, binge that Skate a Day playlist, and get ready for everything that's coming next. Because the real journey, we are just getting started. Thanks for skating with me every day, besties. Now, go hit play on day one and let's do it all over again. See you on the skate floor.